Hi guys, I have already lots of asparagus, so I'm going to pickle them. The jars were sterilized and I dropped one garlic clove in each jar and then a teaspoon of the black peppercorn and also a teaspoon of sea salt filled up with asparagus spears. Now this is water and vinegar. I boiled the water and vinegar 50-50%, so 1:1 ratio. The head space is 1/4 inch. Remove the bubbles. Cannot do this with one hand. I have to put down the cell phone. The head space is 1/4 inch, so you put this into the lid here and then the liquid should touch this one. Before I put inside the spears, I check if there's any chip on these jars. Clean the mouth of the jars to make sure there's no particles. After I took out the jars, I put inside the lids and cover it, but I did not boil them anymore. Close the jar finger tight only. I cannot do this with one hand. The water should be between 1 to 2 inches above the lid of your jar. I'm going to process this for 25 minutes. I think the time in processing depends upon the elevation of your area and if the food is acidic or not. I'm going to start counting the time when the water is rolling boil. When it's done, do not remove it immediately. Just open the lid a little bit and wait for 10 minutes to take it out. I'm going to leave them on the counter for 24 hours. Then check each jar if it is sealed. Remove the ring and then lift the jar holding the rim of the cover, not putting your finger on the mouth of the jar, but here. Then you can clean the jar, especially the lid and label. I have one here from last year, September 29, 23. Please subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Have a fun time.